Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces by swiping left and right on the screen. You can find the watch face you like, and once you find it, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also edit some of the watch faces. Under them there is this edit button, and this allows you to change, for example, the style of the watch face. I don't know what changes. Oh, the colors of the icons change, right? Yeah, that's about all. What else we can change? We can swipe left and we can change the type of data displayed. So we can tap right here, select something else, like that. And then you can tap on check mark to confirm and apply the changes. You can also change the watch face by swiping left on the home screen. It will open this menu, and you can use the crown button, rotating crown, to scroll through the list, select something you like, and then I believe you can just simply wait until it's applied or tap on the screen and it should be applied. So let's try. Select something and tap on it. Yeah, we need to tap on it to confirm. Another way we can change the watch face to do it through the settings. So press the lower button to open the menu. No, not this menu, my bad. Upper button to open the menu. And then scroll down, find the settings icon, tap on it, of course, in settings. Let's find the option called home screen, and then watch face. You can enable or disable the option to press and hold on the current watch face to open the menu. But if you want to change the watch face, tap on watch faces. It will open the menu, find the watch face you like, and then tap on it to select it and apply it. And last way to change the watch face is to do it through the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. Mine is, so we can move our phone right here, zoom out the camera. Okay, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Mi Fitness application. So let's find the icon and tap on it. In the app, tap on device, and here you should see your Xiaomi Watch S4 on the device page. Now find the option called manage watch faces, tap on all. Here we have the online store, so you can download additional watch faces, for example, this one, and tap on apply. It will start downloading, and after it's done, it will be applied on our watch, like this. But if you want to change between, or rather from the local, the watch faces that are already on your watch, you can tap on local right here at the top of the store, find the watch face you like, tap on it, and tap on, okay, I tapped on update because apparently it had an update. Will it take long? It's taking long, so let's just, can we skip it? Oh, we can skip it. Oh well, let's wait until it's done updating then. Okay, and after it's done updating, it was applied, and we can change to something else. Hopefully we can tap on apply and it should be changed. And of course, once you're done, you can close the app, and that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.